It's football season, so today I'm going to share one of my favorite game day recipe, jerk chicken egg roll. Jerk seasoning. This is spicy, so I'm just using 1 tablespoon. Salt, black pepper. Next, I'm just going to mix this up and then set it aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Just a little browning. Adding thyme and piment and a little dry jerk seasoning. Garlic and green onions. So in a mixing bowl, I combine the chicken and the cabbage. Next, I'm just going to add some of the filling to the wrap. Jerk chicken egg roll with jerk sauce.